Asuntoskäyttö Suvelan veteraani.
And today is the 23rd of June 2022. We have Kirstinmäki, Kirstivakken. It's actually one, but it's not the same residential building, but it's strange.
Yeah.
It's probably one and Kirsti Harjuki's 2007 are the same.
Yeah.
Probably. Because we have filmed several of those also, but
Yeah.
we have a few more after the STKSF. And then STKSA here also.
Yeah.
We have there's from G to L that we haven't filmed yet.
Yeah.
And then STKSA here. If A is original also.
Yeah.
Let's go a bit to original still. It was built in 1972, turning 50 years old this year, 2022. This number is VS 3074 and it's going to be inspected in next year, 2023, with memory. And the warning sign is Swedish finish.
Inspected by Sepe, maintained by Sponis.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. And I hope we'll get to the rest of the staircases and everything else.
That's